Welcome to Rupperswil. We are URMA, an international active company who develops and produces innovative precision tools here in Switzerland.
URMA is a 60-year-old traditional Swiss company. As a family-run business, sustainability and our team are very important to us. Our planning is always long-term and always customer-oriented.
Over the years, we have grown and developed. And today, we stand here as a modern company with a strong digital focus. We believe in excellence, reliability, and precision.
URMA develops innovative tooling systems for drilling, boring, and reaming applications. With our stable and innovative patented design, our customers can definitely improve their tool life and process reliability.
Here at URMA, we rely on a high level of automation and quality standards. These modern facilities and processes ensure the best Swiss quality and fastest delivery of our client-specific products.
Our tools are known for their high precision and easy handling. Increase your feed rate while reducing your machine downtime, or simply optimize your production and save costs with URMA tools.
We are URMA. It is our mission to serve our customers with competence and respond to their needs. In doing so, we specifically focus on innovations. Then, innovation is our tool.